We need to get the elephant, man.
I don't know. What do we do? It's destroyed our home.
Man, we better get some steaks. We get the elephant right now. We're kicking ass.
We can't do that. He's too big.
Oh man, we got. Oh man, it's like Biggie Smalls.
Man, we gotta get that elephant.
Yeah, we gotta get that elephant. He's treasuring up our house if we do it.
Hey, yo, guys, don't worry. I got an idea.
Jackal brethren.
Oh man,
What do we do?
I hate Mel. All right, this is what we do.
what you gonna do?
Yeah.
Leave it all on me. Just leave it all on me.
Wait, what? What are you doing?
Leave it all on me. Lord, favor me with your glance.
Who are you, and why have you come here?
I'm just a poor jackal, and I came here. I don't know, man. I just came here. I am broke. I got bills to pay. My wife left me. And listen, there's this big party going on down in Southside Central. We're going down there. There's gonna be some lady elephants there, some salsa, Diet Pepsi. We're gonna get in this. We're gonna get some tonight. Let's go.
Oh, the ceremony tomorrow's gonna be great. Lady elephants, Diet Pepsi, chips and salsa. Oh my gosh, that's gonna be an amazing night.
Come on, man. Yo, Day-Day's there. It's gonna be sweet.
Dude, this ceremony.
I got the girls ready.
Great, dude. It's gonna be. Stop! Stop!
Dude! Son!
Help! Help!
You got dropped!
Yo! Get off! I'm trying. I just keep on.
No, man. You killed my homies. Man, my children. I had to pay. Well, actually, I thank you for that. I don't have to pay child support now. So, well, anyways, I don't even care.
Wait. Help! Help! Help, Vic!
No!
Help! Help! Help, Vic! Someone help, Vic! Help!
Your
Get
girlfriend
up.
looks like my mom.
Help, Vic!
So much to do, so much to see, 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 so much to do.